Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Russia is losing Ukraine war infographic explained. Please subscribe and turn on notifications to follow this clear breakdown. I will walk you through main causes, show how supply, morale, and technology intersect, and explain why numbers and battlefield choices matter. Expect concise visuals, simple terms, and a calm pace so you can grasp the strategic picture without prior expertise. Logistics often decide wars, and here it's no different. Imagine fuel convoys stretching hundreds of kilometers with constant threat of attack. Trucks and tanks wear out faster than they can be replaced. Spare parts and maintenance backlogs compound delays, while strikes on depots force commanders to ration ammunition. That combination erodes momentum, slows offensives, and hands the initiative to defenders who can resupply more effectively or strike at choke points. If you like this breakdown, please subscribe and press like so more calm explainers can be made. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite to keep key reports and maps at your fingertips during research. It pairs well with following maps and timelines in this video. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Morale and command shape outcomes as much as hardware. When soldiers question orders or see poor planning, fighting effectiveness drops. Centralized control can prevent quick reactions to changing situations, and that gives defenders a tactical edge. On top of that, information flow affects public support and unit cohesion, making recruitment and retention harder. Together, these human factors slow operations and increase the cost of every engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.